Gazing beyond the horizon, humanity's new eye on the universe. For centuries, humanity has gazed into the night sky with a sense of wonder, awe, and deep curiosity. We've looked up at the stars and asked timeless questions. Where does it all end? What lies beyond the galaxies scattered across the sky? What exists at the edge of the universe? With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we've entered a new era. This isn't just an upgrade from Hubble. It's a giant leap forward in our ability to explore the universe's deepest mysteries. This revolutionary telescope allows us to venture into realms so distant that the light reaching its sensors has traveled across billions of years of cosmic history to get here. Think about that. The images we're seeing are not just from far away, they're from the distant past. The observable universe stretches more than 93 billion light-years across. But what lies beyond that vastness? What exists outside the bubble of spacetime that we can currently perceive? Armed with cutting-edge infrared technology, the James Webb Space Telescope can pierce through thick veils of cosmic dust. It sees light that has been stretched and reddened by time and distance, the ancient echoes of creation itself. And recently, as it gazed near the cosmic event horizon, the point where space expands faster than light can keep up, it made a discovery that shocked even the most seasoned scientists. Out there, at the edge of everything we can see, it detected vast, unexplained structures, formations unlike anything we've observed before. They emit a strange, faint glow, faint, yet distinct, as if whispering across eternity. And here's what makes them even more mysterious. They appear older than the earliest known galaxies. Somehow, they seem to be interacting with one another despite being separated by mind-boggling distances. As if connected by invisible threads, or held together by forces we don't yet understand. This single discovery has opened up a floodgate of questions, not just about astronomy, but about reality itself. To begin making sense of what we're seeing, scientists are proposing bold, even radical new theories. Some believe these structures may be primordial relics, cosmic fossils from the earliest fractions of a second after the Big Bang. Others suggest something even more astonishing, that we may be seeing signs of a multiverse. An unimaginably vast network of other universes, each with its own physics, its own rules, and perhaps its own forms of life. If true, this would shatter our understanding of existence, and reveal that our universe is just one chapter in a much larger book. Dr. Michio Kaku, one of the world's leading theoretical physicists, describes this as a possible breakthrough in how we understand the fabric of reality. He suggests that what we're seeing might be the result of quantum entanglement on a scale never before imagined, a kind of cosmic linkage between parts of space and time, where distant regions influence each other instantly. Another compelling theory centers around dark matter, the invisible substance thought to make up around 27% of the universe. Though we cannot see dark matter directly, its gravitational effects are unmistakable. These mysterious structures appear to be surrounded by dense pockets of it, suggesting that dark matter may be the hidden glue holding them together across vast stretches of space. If proven, this could be the first concrete evidence of how dark matter shapes the universe at the largest scales. But as astonishing as these ideas are, scientists are also considering possibilities that are even more dramatic. Could these be artificial structures? Could they be the work of a hyper-advanced civilization, one capable of engineering cosmic-scale objects? Their unusual symmetry, geometric patterns, and behavior have led some researchers to wonder, are these formations natural phenomena, or are we seeing the faint outline of something intelligent? Imagine the implications. Structures the size of galaxies, possibly energy collectors, navigation markers, or interstellar observatories placed here for reasons we can't yet comprehend. If they're artificial, that would suggest an intelligence not just beyond us but perhaps beyond our very concept of life and technology. Wormholes, relics, and the future of everything. The James Webb Space Telescope didn't just reveal strange, ancient structures. It also observed bizarre distortions in spacetime near these formations, distortions that don't match anything seen before. Some physicists believe these could be the result of natural wormholes, shortcuts through space that connect two distant points in the universe. Or perhaps even links to entirely separate dimensions. Could it be possible that we're looking at the cosmic entrances to other realms of reality? Places governed by different laws, different timelines, maybe even different versions of ourselves? It's a mind-bending possibility. But the data from Webb suggests we may no longer be dealing with science fiction. Adding to this mystery, scientists detected gravitational waves, subtle ripples in spacetime emanating from these strange regions. But these waves don't resemble those caused by black hole collisions or supernovae. They have a unique signature, one we don't yet understand. Could they be the heartbeat of unknown forces? Or echoes from cataclysmic events that occurred in an earlier version of the cosmos? Whatever their source, they hint at processes so extreme, so foreign to our understanding, that we may be forced to rewrite the physics books. And yet, some researchers are entertaining the most radical idea of all: that these structures, ancient, massive, and incomprehensible, may not be natural. They may be artifacts, built by intelligence so advanced it has left behind fingerprints on the very fabric of reality. What if they're beacons? Or parts of an ancient cosmic archive, recording the history of universes long gone? If that's true, then we are no longer just explorers. We are witnesses to a message, one sent across the stars, across time, across dimensions. A message we're only now beginning to decipher. These discoveries go beyond equations and telescopes. They raise questions that touch our very sense of self. What does it mean to be human in a universe this vast? Are we truly alone? Or are we just beginning to detect the presence of something greater? Some scientists are now working to model the fate of the universe itself, using Webb's new data. Will the universe continue expanding, growing colder and more desolate forever? Will it collapse back into itself in a big crunch? Or could it fracture and give rise to new universes, born from the remnants of the old? The answers may lie in those distant formations, in those ancient structures glowing faintly at the edge of everything. These aren't just scientific questions. They're existential ones. Are we seeing the footprints of a greater cosmic order? Or just patterns that seem meaningful in the face of the unknown? Either way, the James Webb Space Telescope has done more than deliver images. It has reignited our deepest curiosity. It has reminded us that the universe is not just large, it is full of secrets. Each discovery brings not closure, but a new chapter of questions. We now know that the edge of the observable universe is not a wall. It's a threshold, a symbol of how far we've come, and how much more there is to explore. And one truth stands tall among the mystery: the universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies. It is a story. And we, at last, are learning to read it. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's journey into the unknown is only beginning. Driven by curiosity, fueled by discovery, and guided by the belief that we are not just observers but a part of the grand cosmic narrative. What do you believe lies beyond the edge of the universe? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more discoveries that may change how we see ourselves, and our place in the cosmos.